Dear friends and colleagues of ACT, I wish you all a very happy and warm new year. 2012 has just begun, and we have a very exciting year ahead of us with many new exciting challenges. 2011 was a record year in many ways for us, and this is only possible through the very dedicated, committed efforts from everybody in the ACT family. I would like to thank you all for your contributions during 2011, and I hope that we will continue this in 2012. Now, this is the first week of a new year, and it's a new year which brings many new opportunities, many new exciting challenges. We have just started on our 4-shift roster, something we will continue to complete over the next couple of months. But I'm sure that with the new roster we have in place, we have a very strong team set up to deliver even better service for our customers. We have very strong ambitions to continue to grow in 2012, and with growth comes new opportunities, and I hope and expect of all of you to help me deliver on these great ambitions, which will then eventually turn into extra opportunities for all of us. Now, one of the other activities and initiatives I'm also proud of presenting is this initiative right here, which is ACT TV. We hope through this year that we will manage to improve our internal communication, and I would welcome all of you, all of us, to participate in these episodes here and share the everyday experiences that we have at ACT with everybody. This here today is the first episode in ACT TV of 2012. I would like to thank you all for listening, and with this here I will pass on to Mr. Ihab to deliver the next episode of ACT TV. Happy New Year.